Comprehensive safety training for oil and gas, petrochemical plant personnel. Introduction. Welcome to our safety training video for individuals working in oil and gas, petrochemical plants and related industries. Training for individuals working in oil and gas, petrochemical plants and related industries, such as olefins, aromatics, VCM, chlorinated derivatives, fertilizers, LDPE/HDPE, MTBE, methanol, styrene, and polystyrene, should cover a wide range of topics to ensure safety, compliance, and efficient operations. Here are the key areas of training required for personnel in these industries. This video aims to cover a wide range of essential topics to ensure the safety, compliance, and efficiency of operations in the oil and gas, petrochemical sector. Section 1, Health and Safety Training. General safety protocols and procedures. Importance of safety culture. Reporting incidents and near misses. Hazard recognition and mitigation. Identifying potential hazards in the workplace. Strategies to mitigate and eliminate risks. Proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Safety first. Types of PPE and when to use them. Personal protective equipment. Maintenance and care of PPE. Emergency response and evacuation procedures. Steps to follow in case of emergencies. Importance of evacuation drills. Fire evacuation drill conducted in response to a fire alarm or the discovery of a fire. Focuses on safely evacuating personnel to designated assembly areas. Emphasizes the use of fire exits and firefighting equipment. Chemical spill evacuation drill, practiced when there is a hazardous chemical spill or leak. Involves evacuating affected areas and following specific spill response procedures. Gas leak evacuation drill, executed in response to a gas leak or the detection of toxic gases. Emphasizes the use of respiratory protection equipment and evacuation routes. Natural disaster evacuation drill, conducted in preparation for natural disasters such as hurricanes, tornadoes, or earthquakes. Focuses on safe shelter or evacuation to designated safe zones. Lockdown drill, used in response to security threats or intruders. Involves securing the facility and ensuring personnel remain in safe areas. Alert signals. Emergency alert, a single tone that signifies a general emergency. Used to notify personnel of an impending emergency situation. Attack alert, an up and down, rising and falling tone. Indicates a homeland security or attack emergency. Alerts personnel to take immediate protective measures. All clear, not always used in every community or facility. Signals the end of an emergency situation and that it is safe to return to normal activities. Typically issued after the threat or hazard has been mitigated. Shelter in place alert, used in response to situations where it is safer for personnel to remain inside the facility rather than evacuate, such as a chemical release outside the facility. Instructs personnel to close windows and doors, seal gaps, and take cover. Medical emergency alert signifies a medical emergency within the facility. Prompts the response of medical personnel and first aid teams. Weather alert, used to notify personnel of severe weather conditions like tornadoes or hurricanes. Prompts personnel to take shelter in designated areas. It's important for personnel in petrochemical plants and related industries to be familiar with these evacuation drill types and alert signals to respond effectively to various emergency scenarios. Additionally, regular training and drills should be conducted to ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities during emergencies. Hazardous materials handling and storage. Safe handling practices. Proper storage and labeling of hazardous materials. Proper storage and labeling of hazardous materials. Section 2, Process knowledge. Understanding specific petrochemical processes. Feedstock handling, reaction mechanisms, and product separation. Knowledge of equipment and instrumentation. Key equipment used in processes. Instrumentation for monitoring and control. Section 3, Regulatory compliance. Familiarity with regulations. Local, state, and federal regulations. Compliance with environmental permits and safety standards. Section 4, Environmental protection. Practices to prevent environmental pollution. minimizing emissions and spills, waste management and disposal, erosion control and site protection. Section 5, Equipment Operation and Maintenance. Operation of process equipment. Pumps, reactors, distillation columns, and compressors. Routine maintenance tasks. Troubleshooting and preventive maintenance schedules. Section 6, Chemical Handling and Storage. Safe handling, storage, and transport of chemicals. Understanding material safety data sheets, MSDS. Emergency response to chemical spills. Section 7, Emergency response and fire safety. Responding to chemical spills, fires, and leaks. Fire suppression techniques. First aid and CPR training. Section 8, Process control and automation. Knowledge of process control systems. Monitoring and adjusting process parameters. Quality control and quality assurance. Ensuring product quality and compliance. Instrumentation and control systems. Understanding instrumentation devices and control systems. Calibration and maintenance of instruments. Section 9, Electrical safety. Electrical safety protocols. Lockout/tagout procedures. Safe work practices around electrical equipment. Section 10, Chemical analysis and laboratory techniques. Laboratory testing and analysis techniques. Interpreting test results. Section 11, Environmental monitoring. Monitoring emissions and effluents. Reporting environmental data. Section 12, Teamwork and communication. Effective communication within the team and with supervisors. Collaboration and coordination during plant operations. Section 13, Security awareness. Security protocols to prevent unauthorized access. Protecting critical infrastructure. Section 14, Continuous improvement and best practices. Encouraging a culture of continuous improvement. Sharing and implementing best practices. Section 15, Specific process training. Specialized training for personnel in specific processes. In-depth knowledge and safety measures. Section 16, Management and leadership training. Supervisory and management training for leaders and supervisors. Leading by example in safety and compliance. Conclusion. Emphasize the importance of ongoing safety training and education. Encourage a proactive approach to safety. Thank viewers for their commitment to ensuring safety and compliance in the petrochemical industry. End with a call to action, such as promoting a safety culture and participating in regular training programs to stay updated with industry standards and best practices. Thank viewers for watching the educational video. Invite feedback and questions from the audience. Promote ongoing safety awareness and training. Follow up www.techdosengineering.com. Thanks for watching.